Dito na kami sa aming second destination. Agad-agad. At 6 minutes lang ng drive yung tinake ni Pao. So where are we now? So, tingnan lang sa mapa kung nasa na ba tayo. Chinek na ni Pao kung yung map, but
Oh no, it's good.
di siya sure kung
Saying supposed to work
Really?
until 6. They don't see any people. Oh, there is. So we have 3 hours more.
okay. So, punta na tayo sa ating second destination. Papunta na kami sa aming second destination. At 6 minutes lang yung drive namin papunta rito. Galing sa first destination.
Closed.
So, it's there.
So it's there.
Or unless we cross here. Sarado yung
Swim.
sarado yung lugar dun. Sabi-sabihin dun kami sa other side. Oh, unless, love, there is a step here, see? Puink, puink, puink. You want to go?
Want to? Like before?
We
This
do
is
that.
muddy.
This is still not as bad
There
as
is tourists using the bus.
my. Actually, hindi na kami bago sa paglusong-lusong because nung dati sa Poland, love, we wet our shoes a lot, right, in Poland.
We wet a lot and have to go down. There was
Many
no other way
times.
around.
Many times.
No, only once basically. But other
Once.
times like was very little.
But because it was
once
raining.
Yeah, it was raining.
Kaya
That
basang-basa
hike
yung...
was the real hike, the hardest hike ever.
Yeah.
You go climb like a goat
Mm-hmm.
and then descending.
And there was nobody.
We haven't seen the lake. That's
But-
that part we haven't reached.
Yeah.
Like it was already too late to go to lake. If you go to lakes, we have to go in the dark in the night.
In the flashlight.
And then we didn't have power banks.
Nothing.
The phone was like
Nothing. So we were not prepared that time. See, love, there is a way there.
yeah, kind of.
Right?
I want to take a picture there. Oh, but
No.
here.
It's fine. So, bili tayo ng ticket. Pero, walang tao ngayon dito ah.
So people there a bit.
Really, you saw?
Yeah, I saw.
Why there's not much? Tingnan nyo.
We have a
So, dito kami bibili ng ticket. Parang hindi siya popular. Kasi, kung popular siya, marami ng pila rito. Wala akong ambag. Wala akong ambag. Ako lang yung tigaluto. Ayos na aming mga gamit.
yes.
Si Pao ang tour guide, siya ang driver. Pao is the tour guide, Pao is the driver.
And camel.
Na camel. Me? I'm just me. No. So, tara, bili na tayo. Is it real, Ram? This is the one?
Yep.
Pay by cash. Here you go.
This one, not the photo.
Yeah, it seems so. And I think I should put my jacket, love. It's cold, no?
Yeah, might be there. This smart girl. I'm always wearing the same all the time. Hot or cold, all the time the same.
And me, I have like 1, 2,
Too hot, cold.
So, pagkapasok pa lang namin, ito na yung bumugad. May ano doon na? Something. Super dilim. It's cold, love. No, it's cold. I knew it's cold. And it's dark. It's dark, love. You cannot see a lot here. So, madilim dito sa loob. Malamig. At yeah, surrounded kami. Ito, nahawakan yung the rocks. Makawakan mo yung rocks dito kung mataas ka. So, may water dito. Oh, tumatagos yung water. Okay. Saan na to? It's very cold. I think it's more colder than the one yesterday, love.
Yeah. This is like deep in the cave.
Ilabay, Tamsu.
It's on purpose to give you a caving experience.
Tatap. More better. See? Because I cannot see my light. Nice. Now this one should be. Now this one is nice. Hello. No? More interesting here. Take picture here, love. This curve. Where's my... Move the hand. But this one is good. It's freaking wet. Colder here. It's colder here. Let's go. Oof. It's cold here. Not entry. No, I see. Somehow, no? Love, don't move there. It's look nice. Take a picture of you. Ready? Oh no. There's a wait. There's a sign on your back. Look.
Okay, we can edit this out.
It's nice.
Yep. Mes vėl pasiklydome urve. We get lost in the cave again. Vėl pasiklydome urve. Tamsiame.
Oh, to make it more. Where?
Imagine there will be no people.
It's more quiet. So, mawala kasi yung flashlight ng aking camera. So, ginagamit ko yung flashlight ng phone ko para makita nyo yung
Close down the
daan.
waterfall.
There's a waterfalls there.
And they close it down.
Too much power, pressure of the water. So, mayroong waterfalls kaming nakita pero sarado. Ayan. What? Here. Nakalagay dito. Yan, sige. Basahin nyo. Maintindihan. Look, love. The top, very nice.
Oh my.
Picture. Ang ganda ng pagkakaayos nila, oh. Yeah. Here, love. Na tayo. Taa. How is there? San si Pao? Ayun. Kita nyo ba? Madilim kami ngayon. Uy, ang lamig-lamig dito. Sobra. Parang kulang pa yung suit ko. Nakita nyo na 3 yung suit ko, pero parang kulang pa. Anyway, may mga pababa ng tao. I want to be there and you take picture of me here, love. Or no need?
Okay, and when we go down, maybe there's people.
Yeah. If red light is on, leave cave immediately. Very strong waterfalls. Sa baba. Dito kami ngayon at hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo kami, but daming tao na. Nakikita nyo marami rin palang tao na nasa loob. May falls doon. Ayun, kita nyo yung falls na yon. Ang cool niya. Super cool. So, pakyat naman kami ngayon doon sa taas. Hindi namin alam kung gaano kataas. But love, you know, when we're going up and the temperature is rising. Not cold anymore.
Or we exercise.
Probably, right? Let's go. Mm-hmm. So, I think people make it, no?
But it looks like natural. Doesn't look like someone's massive with a pool.
That will take a long years, right?
Yeah, I think it's natural. It's not one I built there.
Yeah, probably. So, we have to search about it. Hindi kami sure ni Pao kung ito bang itong cave ba na to is man-made or talagang nandito na siya at naglagay lang yung people ng stair papanik sa taas. Kasi kung ito ay man-made, it will take a very long years to achieve. At dito na tayo sa taas. Ito na yung pinaka-top. We are in the top, love.
That's it.
It's the top. Yay!
Yay! I reach it.
So, ito yung pinaka-top. May makikita mo dito sa top. Kita mo, merong waterfall man dito. May waterfall man dito. At, okay, ilapit kita sa akin. Yan, so may waterfall man dito. Yan, dalawa. So, wala nang way papunta sa taas doon. Basically, itong roof na to, yung ginawa nila. Yan. Ito lang yung roof na nabulol na. Ito lang yung roof na yon. So, all the way there, kailangan namin bumaba. Pag nahulog mo yung cellphone mo rito, goodbye forever. Okay. Ito na yun. Pahinga lang kami saglit. And then, that's it. Ano yung pinakatakto ko nyo? Tada. Yan na yun. Amazing how, natural. Yung yung mga natural ba? Mga gantong cave. Bobo na. Gutom na kasi. Nabablanggo ako pag gutom ako. So, love, what do you think about it? Are you satisfied?
Yeah?
Are you satisfied with the end, with the roof? Not bad, no?
Not bad. I mean, it's definitely not less bad than the other
Yeah.
in the prices.
Basically. We get what we paid for, basically, right, love?
Yep. I mean, we paid the similar amount in Croatia in the very, very small cave there.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Croatia is more expensive.
This is more impressive, and then, remember in Croatia the very small cave?
Yeah, we go under.
Yeah. And this is way more impressive. For the same price. So.
Yeah. Not bad.
Not too bad.
Buha na tayo ngayon at kailangan natin bumalik kung saan tayo pumasok. Tingin ko, kanina hindi nyo ako naririnig nung nagbibideo ko kasi yung clip ko nakalagay sa damit tapos natatabingan siya. Anyway, nandun kami pumanik, doon kung saan kami nagbibideo kanina ni Pao. Yun na yung pinaka-top. Maliit lang siya na room. Maliit lang siya na place. At ngayon, wala na kang ganong tao kumpara kanina nung bagong dating namin. So, itong cave na to, hindi kami sure ni Pao if man-made ba to or natural na nilagyan lang nila ng hagdan dito. Anyway, either way, amazing. Amazing. Nung pumunta kami dati sa Croatia, nagbayad kami ng almost the same but very short cave. And this time, dito sa Austria, worth it yung bayad. So, we cannot complain. Anyway, kailangan nating mag-ingat sa ating daanan dahil puro bato to. Isang dulas mo lang, goodbye. So, kailangan mag-ingat ka ng paglalakad kapag bumababa ka rito. Malayo-layo pa yung ating tatahakin. So, yung naririnig nyo na yan, yung naririnig nyo na sound na tong maingay sa aking background, ay nanggagaling dito sa waterfalls na to. Yan. May nakalagay dito, maximum number of 20 person. Please wait. So, di pwedeng lumampas ng 20 person. May nakalagay man dito na if red light is on, leave cave immediately. So, of course, for emergency purpose, may nakalagay na ganyan. So, yeah, very pretty, no? How did they even manage to write here, love? Love, how did they even manage to write here? May mga nakalagay na sulat dito. Oh. Paano silang makiat doon? Mga rock climbers, I think. Love, the one who did it are rock climbers, no? Look, their writings here.
1889. Oh, yeah. They visit like that, eh?
Right.
1904, like more than 100.
There is more.
Yeah, this is a rock climber, yeah.
Should be better if there's an English. There's an English translation here, but there's no English translation, love.
I saw it nowhere in this case.
Yeah, so walang English translation yung mga nakalagay nilang ganito. So, hindi namin maintindihan. Something like, look, 20 degree to 10 degree. Probably the down area was 10 degree. Okay, so ito na yung cave. Kita nyo kung gaano kaliit lang siya. O, rich na rich. Mauntog dito si Pao. Rich mo, oh. So, imagine yung mga gumawa nito. Ang hirap ng trabaho nila, ah. Kailangan nila to dangerous man, no? Bagsakan sila na inuminamay nila. May usok. May usok yung ano namin, hininga namin. So basically, it's more less than 10 degree here, no?
Feels like 10, yeah, something like that. Let's go up now.
Up here on this side, no?
Yeah.
Oh, more steep, love. It's more steep, more down. Tingnan nyo yung mga tubig na nanggagaling sa mountain. Ano siya galing? And the rock formation, just look how the rock formation is. Very nice. Let's go. Let's take a selfie here, love. Here, selfie. Here. With the two of us like this, bend like this, you know?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you want it? Here.
Love, I'm going again. Yeah. Okay. So, pares na kami ni Pao. Let's go. Inam. Very low here. Yes, wow.
Okay.
Very small, yeah.
Nice. You're alone?
Huh?
No one here no more?
I feel like everybody's on the top right now. So, nobody's going no more. Ito yung mga rock formation. You guys can see it. Rock formation. Lab, I want a picture there at the outside of the cave.